Okay, so Zed has tried every fast food in America, and I want to see if he's right or not. Because some of them are ass, and some of them are not. He's in California though, so it's like that might as well be a different planet than where I'm at. This is long, yeah, just like my dick. Zed, my man, yeah, no, Zed's awesome. I watched his like the KSI stuff, and then his traveling to the capital of gambling. Where am I in the U.S.? I'm in Georgia. It's cool. Is this Waze? You guys use Waze too? Nice. Wait, and this is the right side of the road. Oh, of course, because it's in America. God, I'm retarded. I was like, wait, hold on. This looks like normal driving. I know how to drive here. Oh, wait, it's because it's in America. You fucking idiot.
वीडियो में हम ट्राई करने वाले every single fast food restaurant in USA. I'm talking Chick-fil-A, I'm talking Wendy's, I'm
Those two are, and he says Burger King. That's my 1, 2, and 3 right there.
talking In-N-Out, I'm talking McDonald's, Burger King. हम हैं अभी Los Angeles, California में. Or should I say the birthplace of fast food. Rating वही होने वाली है जो मैं usually use करता हूँ, which is two things. One is taste, the most important thing, and next is price.
Yep.
These are the two things I care about.
The third thing, especially for being an American, is speed. If you go to like McDonald's and you go to an In-N-Out, you're gonna get in and out at the McDonald's, but you're not getting in and out at the In-N-Out, if you know what I'm saying.
इसलिए हम ये भी देखेंगे कितना जल्दी आता है because it is supposed to be fast food. अभी हम जा रहे हैं कार रेंट करने because हम लॉस एंजलिस में and हम ये सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स के ड्राइव थ्रूज ट्राई करने वाले हैं because this is not New York. यहाँ पे कोई भी वॉक नहीं करता.
Yeah, no one walks in Cali. Oh, look, people still have their mask on like losers.
So below 25 is underage.
25 is underaged?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, for renting a car. To rent a car, yeah, you gotta be 25 years old.
Finally हमको कार मिल गई. Not Tesla. हम Tesla लेने वाले थे. मैं tutorials देख रहा था आज सुबह literally how to drive a Tesla. मैंने 4-5 साल तक सिर्फ मैनुअल चलाई थी. ऑटोमेटिक भी मैंने ऐसी सीखी थी. चलाने से पहले गाड़ी में बैठ के 2 मिनट का tutorial देखा.
It's terrifying me that they're allowed just to get a rental car to start driving on the streets here. Like, what the hell? Georgia is one of the good states in the U.S. I think Georgia is one of the best states in the U.S. I think Georgia, if I'm going to be 100% honest, I think the best 3 places to live in the U.S. Texas, Tennessee, Georgia, North Carolina is also sneaky. Colorado is another one that's really nice. Which is the worst one to live in? It legitimately might be California. California and New York.
सबसे पहले हम जा रहे हैं the almighty, the originator, the one that started it all. I'm talking about obviously the Golden Arches.
I've never been to Ohio, but
McDonald's. मैकडी भाई तुम कितना भी बिग मैक बना रहे हो तुम मैक आलू टिक्की का कल्चरल सिग्निफिकेंस मैच नहीं कर पाओगे. I'm sorry. मुझे I think but सालों हो गए
the KKK,
and it's not even
mostly the South, but they don't really exist
I just
anymore.
think McDonald's का generational fall off हुआ है. 5-10 साल पहले इंडिया में McDonald's जैसा बढ़िया आलू टिक्की बर्गर कोई भी नहीं दे रहा था. कोई भी नहीं. फिर आज की डेट में तुम्हें बहुत सारे कैफेज मिल जाएंगे तुम्हारी सिटी में जो कि McDonald's से बढ़िया बर्गर सर्व करते हैं. प्लस अब तो सस्ता भी नहीं रहा तो वो redeeming quality भी नहीं रही. Yeah, that's why I don't have it anymore. But let's see what is US का McD saying.
It's true. It's true. McDonald's used to cost like $12, and now if I go just for myself, it's like 20. Like $20, 160 rupees for McDonald's. Suck my dick. Went to Hortons.
Burgers.
I have never had a Hortons.
Chicken Big Mac का है.
Of course, he's not gonna get any beef, right? I can assume that Zed's not gonna get like an actual cheeseburger. He's just gonna do chicken sandwiches.
Okay, we got the McD. वेदांत ने ऑर्डर करा बिग मैक. खाया तो नहीं वाले ने.
कभी नहीं खाया.
मैंने ऑर्डर करा है चिकन स्पाइसी मैक स्पाइसी.
1600 rupees.
मुझे सख्त नफरत है. So I'm expecting I'm not going to like this at all. First test.
This looks artificially made.
भाई this looks so artificial भाई. What the fuck? Yo, Americans are cooked.
No, yes, we are. Our food that I mean, granted,
By the way,
you went to McDonald's and you ordered a chicken sandwich. my friend, you are fucked. You did not order the right thing. You got to get yourself a double quarter pounder, large fry, and a Sprite.
This for the price tag, it is cheap as fuck. Like India की prices ही है यहाँ पे almost. I'm saying कि India के बराबर price है, but you have to realize यहाँ की purchasing power के हिसाब से this is very cheap here, very cheap. And they gave us super fast. Like मैं यहाँ पे timer डाल दूँगा, तो price में they are getting a 5 on 5. Taste में they might be cooked. First, Mac spicy. I know I'm going to hate it.
He's gonna be like, it's not that bad.
Okay, it is not as bad as I expected. It is mid as fuck. But मैंने 0 on 10 expect किया था. Out of
I know
5,
he does.
it is
He looks
2.5.
rough.
अगर तुम्हें
Probably
पता
travel.
नहीं, I hate
India to
flights
California,
but
India to
this
America.
is
That's a
actually
hell
not
of
too
a
bad.
that's a
Big
hell
Mac
of a
Dragon.
flight.
Now, moment of truth.
He's Muslim. Poor dude.
अच्छा, I don't like the patty,
Hopefully
but
he'll
like the flavors on shit अच्छा है.
Okay. मेरा opinion 5 मिनट में आएगा. Okay, Big Mac review. भाई, I think I prefer Mac chicken. The patty tastes nothing. Like actually मेरे को कुछ taste नहीं आ रहा मीट से. But this is their staple burger, bro. हवा का taste आ रहा है उसमें. Where are the calories? 900 कैलोरी का नहीं है, 800-900. The buns are mediocre. The patty tastes of air. हवा है patty, literally. Like this is hard patty. This is hard. This is like सुबह को जो boner आता है ना, हाँ 7 दिन no fap पर जाने के बाद. This is that. That is a flaccid dick of someone with erectile dysfunction.
Utah, you just have to watch out for
I
all
won't
the
eat it. This
Mormons,
is
but
not too bad.
Utah
I
and
mean,
Ohio,
it's not shit,
very,
but it's like
very
the top
cheap.
tier of shit. I'm
Nice
giving it
place
a
to live.
2.5. Terry?
I just don't know what there is to do. In Georgia,
Price
we
का भी
got
taste
mountains,
test
we got canyons,
Bro, what
we got
the fuck is
lakes.
this? This is sea level fries. Sea level fries. There's no
We got
crunch.
Atlanta.
अबे
We got the
no,
biggest
excuse क्या बना
airport,
रहा है? तेरे
so for
बाप का
travel,
McDonald's है
you're
क्या?
gonna wanna
Excuse
come
क्या
to
बना
Georgia
रहा है? बोल
anyways.
0 out of 10 है. Bro, भाई
Yeah.
सच में मैंने स्टोरीज पे बनाया, अपने इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरीज में बनाया मैंने. बंदियों के मैसेजेस आए थे मेरे को. मैंने कुक करे थे घर पे. वो इतने क्रंची थे. ये क्या है भाई? ये क्या है?
Yeah, no, McDonald's fries are ass now.
Hey, fuck is this? ये noodles है भाई. Because we are only rating burgers, McDonald's is getting a 7.5 out of 10. भाई गुड फ्लिपन बर्गर
That's
से
fair.
महंगा है.
हाँ पता.
That's how cheap McDonald's is यहाँ पे.
That's a good rating. If you gave McDonald's anything higher than a 7.5, then we'd have problems. Georgia Tech's good. University of Georgia also.
Okay, McDonald's done. भाई I feel disgusting. एकदम जंक फूड खाने के बाद ऐसा लगता है ना. And I order a lot. But it's like अगर तुम ऑर्डर भी करते हो ना, there's like a difference. 150 रुपए के टेक अवे में 400 रुपए के टेक अवे. Like मेरे को सबवे खाने के बाद ऐसा नहीं लगता. Okay, next हम जा रहे हैं कैलिफोर्निया की आन बान शान इन एंड आउट. इसके बारे में भाई मैंने इतना सुना है कि कैलिफोर्निया है और इन एंड आउट ट्राई नहीं किया तो क्या ही देखा. It's like more famous than Hollywood sign of California.
Nice, Naman.
भाई मैंने इतना सुना था कि LA की ड्राइविंग इज वेरी डेंजरस, व्हिच इज ट्रू. यहाँ पे ड्राइवर्स थोड़े हिले हुए हैं, स्पेशली फ्रीवे पे. यहाँ पे स्पीड लिमिट इज मोर लाइक द स्पीड मिनिमम. यहाँ पे भाई लिटरली बंदा
That's fair.
5 लेन के फ्रीवे में रॉन्ग साइड पे आ रहा होगा और तुम्हारी आंखों में आंखें देखेगा जैसे कि तुम हो. बट इट्स लाइक वो कहते हैं ना, जिस स्कूल में तुम टॉप मार रहे हो उसके हम मास्टर हैं. अगर तुमने इंडिया
Yeah, we
किसी
take
भी
driving
कॉर्नर में गाड़ी
seriously
चलाई है ना,
here.
स्पेशली पुणे में, LA इज अ ब्रीज. लाइक यहाँ पे सिग्नल पे ऑटो वाला कोई तुम्हारी हेडलाइट्स उड़ा के नहीं ले जाएगा जस्ट बिकॉज़ उसकी बीवी ने उस पे
In and out. That sounds naughty.
3 ताने मार दिए. LA traffic is no joke भाई. Like road खाली लगेंगी तुम्हें, but like freeways mostly ready होते. Freeways, main road सब ready होते. It doesn't seem like
No, it should seem like California. You can get place to place, but a 5 to 10 minute drive anywhere else in the United States may be a 2-hour drive in California.
it because cars it's like one arm distance लेके रखते हैं.
Wait till you hear
India
about
में
five
ना यहाँ
guys.
पे भाई रिक्शे वाले बुझ जाते हैं.
शाम के रखते हैं गाड़ी को.
भाई एकदम चिपका के रखते हैं भाई. जैसे हरास कर रहे हैं, ग्रोप कर रहे हैं गाड़ी को.
It's another fast food place.
भाई इतनी
Five Guys is like In-N-Out.
इन एंड आउट के लिए. भाई at this point you might as well just park and walk.
Yeah.
सारी गाड़ियों में एक दो जने बैठे हुए हैं, हम included of course. But मुझे पता है मैं चुप्पाबंदी कर रहा हूँ. I'm just trying to mingle into the Southern California culture. एक बंदा कार निकाल ली लाइन से, he gave up. He's like burger is not worth it. No burger in the world is worth a 30-minute wait line.
Yep, that's what I said. If you go to In-N-Out, it's not going to be quick. Five Guys, X In-N-Out. Actually better than that. I like Five Guys more than In-N-Out.
Okay, timer.
I think In-N-Out is super overrated.
Hello, how are you?
Get a cheeseburger and a french fries.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
Oh my god. By first of all, this looks amazing. Like fries, burger दोनों. मैं fries usually खाता नहीं हूँ, but let's try it.
Five Guys,
See,
In-N-Out
actually
got hurt.
crispy. Okay, first of all, the fries are actually crispy, unlike McDonald's सूखे सीले हुए fries दे दिए.
I'll tell you, it wasn't like what Bonnie Blue did with 1,000 guys.
अब बर्गर का वाइट लेके देखता हूँ कि this is भाई इन्होंने कैसे पैक करा है. This just looks amazing. चीज बर्गर.
कैसा? अच्छा है क्या? I can't tell तू अगर शांत रहेगा तो अच्छा है.
He's gonna like it.
अब मैं घूमने अच्छा है सेकंड बैक पे जा रहा था.
This is heavenly. Try कर. This is very good.
ओह ऐसा है.
इसके अच्छे रिएक्शन भी ऐसे होते हैं. ओह अच्छा है.
Oh my fucking god.
Like कितना अच्छा है एक्सप्रेशन से तो
1,000 guys in and out.
10 में से कितना अच्छा है.
10 में से 8 है ब्रो. अनियन सरप्राइजिंगली अच्छा टेस्ट करता था ना.
Exactly. हाँ मैं भी वही सोच रहा था. मैं बर्गर को 5 में से देना है. I'm saying this burger is 4 on 5. Grilled chicken burgers are my thing. If you can make a banging grilled chicken burger, I'll suck. No. If my imaginary girlfriend can make a good banging grilled chicken burger, मैं पैक हो जाऊंगा. भाई मैं पूरी लाइफ रिकंसिडर कर रहा हूँ. मैं अब तक क्या खाता हुआ आ रहा हूँ. I want to lower the McDonald's score now to -5. बिग मैक तो डेड था भाई इसके सामने.
मैक शिट था भाई.
क्यों खाते लोग बिग मैक? आई होप मैं यहाँ पे मूव नहीं करूँ भाई. वो ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस का फोटो देखा है ना मेरा, वो डबल हो जाऊंगा मैं.
Street burgers are better, cheap. Yeah, a smash burger. That's what I call a street burger, is a smash burger. But yes, those are my favorite.
Okay, In and Out was 9.5 out of 10. Taste के मामले में 4.5. Price के मामले
Guys, just because you masturbate a lot doesn't mean your face is gonna be full of zits.
में 5 on 5. Again, servicing was top tier. जैसे उन्होंने present किया, ये मास्टर शेफ होता ना, that shit would have gotten 20 out of 10 bro. That is the best presented burger I have ever seen. Servicing
Yeah,
भी top
I'm not a
tier
big
थी.
fan
I
of
think
Subway either.
servicing अमेरिका की in general हर restaurants में top tier ही रहती है. अब हम 2 बार खाना खा चुके हैं. हम जा रहे हैं Santa Monica Beach, the original famous historical muscle beach, which is known as the birthplace of bodybuilding. तो यार देखते क्या है वहाँ पे करने को.
Same, Basura. You guys can't see my other hand.
ठंडी हो रही है भाई. सही में ऐसा लग रहा है हम GTA 5 में. Like रात को इतना नहीं दिख रहा था, but now I've just entered the gameplay. एकदम कार्स
You logged into the server.
बिल्कुल वाइब वैसा ही आ रहा है ब्रो. Also तुम्हें लग रहा होगा मेरे मुंह पे जो धूप आ रही है कि it's very warm here. It's not. It's actually cold. That's why लोग कैलिफोर्निया को best weather बोलते हैं. It's sunny, but it's like it's still chilly. तो तुम्हें गर्मी नहीं लगती बिल्कुल भी कभी.
It's still chilly. Well, that's just in comparatively speaking. It's probably like 60, 70 degrees. It probably feels perfect.
भाई
Subway's
भाग रही
elite
है.
false.
Damn. Now we actually feel like we are in GTA.
Okay, bye.
भाई
Yeah, you're not my boyfriend. You follow me everywhere. What about me?
वो किसी से ही बात नहीं कर रही ना.
नहीं.
So she is not on call. She is just talking to herself.
जो किधर पीछे था हमें में ऐसे ऐसे करके बात करती.
She's talking to energies. भाई by the way that washroom, Indian Railways का जनरल वॉशरूम देखा तूने? Bro, a girl literally वो जाने वाली थी, open the door, मुंह साइड करा और वापस आ गई.
Look how pretty that is. I'd like to go run on that. I've been to California, but never to this beach. Wow.
Okay, I think this is like an open gym. Like यहाँ पे कुछ लोग actually train कर रहे हैं. कुछ
Yeah, no, a lot of parks have places set up to where you can work out there.
लोग मजे कर रहे हैं. कुछ लोग 2 greasy burger ठूस कर आए हैं. आओ आओ भाई, चला ही नहीं जा रहा मेरे से स्टैंड में. We are going to do a pull-up challenge. हमने ये 2 साल पहले करा था ना मुंबई में. Whatever is weighing you down. भाई मैं जैकेट पहन के कर रहा हूँ.
1,
नेक ऊपर लाना चाहिए.
2,
2, 3,
there you go.
4.
I beat him.
Bro, I think एक ज्यादा करा तूने. I think you got stronger. I think मुंबई वाले में तूने 2 करे थे.
हाँ शायद.
अब तू ले सकता है एलिगेटर को.
You got.
I think मैं weaker हो गया हूँ because of dengue. Let's see.
1, 2, 3. Okay, good. 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, look at you go. Let's go, Zed.
हाँ. भाई मैं weak हो गया भाई.
Oh yeah, no, squatters are everywhere, but that should stop. Bro got weaker, not bad. Yeah, not bad. Not bad for just walking up and banging out 20 after eating McDonald's and In-N-Out and everything else. Could I beat him? Yeah.
Okay, so अब हम जा रहे हैं Venice Beach, जो Santa
Not by much though. I mean, he just knocked out 1450, and I mean, I can get a solid like 18 to 21 depending on my day, but he's not far off.
मोनिका बीच से थोड़ी ही आगे जाके might as well check it out. Also, भाई यहाँ के घर इतने sexy है.
As an
Like
editor, he is
imagine
good and
living
he's
here.
great.
Imagine, not right now, but for the 2 people who are above 40 who watch my videos, ऐसी type की place vibe है भाई.
That's probably his parents, to be honest.
We are at Venice Beach right now, and यहाँ पे सारे
He is
duplexes
slim,
हैं,
he has
and
an
they remind
advantage.
me of जैसे
Yeah.
Greater Kailash 1, Greater Kailash 2 में नहीं होते साउथ दिल्ली में. क्या?
कंपेयर मत कर वेनिस के साथ.
घर को कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ यार. तेरी जलती क्यों है इतनी दिल्ली से भाई? अगर मैं अभी वर्ली से कंपेयर कर देता तो नाचने लग जाता तू. I just said कि
A good editor changes a whole lot of differences. It changes the vibe. Yeah, no, a good editor can turn, or excuse me, an editor can turn a good video into a great video, right?
ड्यूप्लेक्स जो है इधर, they look like Greater
You don't have
Kailash वाले
anything
घर.
weighing you
And
down?
it is true. हंस क्या रहा है? भाई तुम एक बार देखो.
I can't believe तू ये देख के पहले चल रहा ब्रो ग्रेटर कैलाश.
Someone in the comments जो ग्रेटर कैलाश में रहता है, roast the shit out of Vedant in the comments. भाई हमारा कैब ड्राइवर रिवर्स मारकर आ रहा है पूरी रोड से. Damn bro.
An editor's game change, absolutely.
Okay, back to business. Next spot is Five Guys. मैंने आज तक Five Guys try
Hey, there you go. He went to In-N-Out, and now he's ready for Five Guys. He did some pull-ups. He's like, man, I'm tired. Come on, Five Guys.
नहीं किया, इसने भी नहीं किया.
Get in and
Also,
out.
हम Five Guys try करने जा रहे हैं West Hollywood, which is almost यहाँ से 40 मिनट की ड्राइव भाई.
मुंबई से बांद्रा जा रहा है.
मुंबई से बांद्रा जा
आई
रहे
मीन सॉरी
हैं.
कांदी.
मुंबई से बांद्रा जा रहे हैं. That's
No,
how
he-
huge
I agree. I like his style of videos.
Los Angeles is. Also West Hollywood में हम वो भी देख सकते हैं, Hollywood Boulevard. I know it might be a tourist trap, but then again, Times Square wasn't too bad, so it might be good.
ये दिख रही है सर्कल वाली बिल्डिंग,
हां.
इसके ऊपर लाइट नहीं है. ये GTA सैन एंड्रियास पैराशूट वाली बिल्डिंग है.
ओह डैम.
ना ऊपर हेलीपैड होता है और वो कूदता है.
हां हां.
दैट्स दैट बिल्डिंग.
चल ट्राई करते हैं.
पैराशूट कहाँ से लाएगा?
देख लेंगे स्पॉन हो जाएगा
भाई
खरीद लें.
उसके लिए मुझे पहले जेई देना पड़ेगा.
I don't think he's big enough to take on the Five Guys, so I think the Five Guys is gonna do him. Damn, hi, you tall. Taller than me.
One little cheeseburger. No, just one grilled sandwich and one diet. Which one is good? Yeah. ZAID. Sorry? ZAID. Z-A-I-D. Okay, we got Five Guys and Chick-fil-A दोनों आसपास थे. First of all, Five Guys, most American fast food restaurant I've ever seen. Like मैं
Yeah, that's accurate.
इमेजिन ही नहीं कर सकता ऐसा कुछ इंडिया में एग्जिस्ट करते हुए. लाइक जैसे ही तू अंदर जाएगा ना, ऐसा लगता है पल्प फिक्शन मूवी के अंदर है, कोई ऐसी विंटेज क्लासिक हॉलीवुड मूवी के अंदर. हाँ, बहुत अजीब सा बना हुआ है. इट्स लाइक व्हाइट और रेड, जैसे उसके काउंटर से. इट्स लाइक वेरी वेस्ट कोस्ट.
Yeah.
आल्सो Five Guys 5 में से 1 मिल रहा है इसको प्राइस में. मैंने मिनी चीज बर्गर ऑर्डर किया, स्मॉल चीज
Oh yeah, no, it's expensive as fuck.
बर्गर. गेस कर कितने का है?
देगा.
$12.
What the fuck actually?
$12 का. जस्ट
Yeah.
फॉर द रिकॉर्ड, इन एंड आउट का चीज बर्गर आया था जो कि हेफ्टी था. $4 कुछ का. दिस इज 3x. ये हमने ऑलरेडी ट्राई कर रखा है. आई लव इट. दिस इज $8, so this is also getting 4 out of 5. Not 5 out of 5 because it's not the
Ja
cheapest.
Mains
भाई
versus
Five Guys तो बहुत ही
January 30th?
disgusting लग रहा है. Bun looks so oily. Patty.
I'm telling you, this is gonna taste amazing.
मोल्डी क्यों लग रहा है?
हाँ, ये तो मोल्डी लग रहा है. इसकी
It's
ब्रेड
not
चिपक
moldy.
रही है. स्मेल भी आ रही है हल्की सी. भाई बहुत गंदा स्मेल आ रहा है.
I don't know if I
You guys don't understand a smash burger. That's the whole point of a burger. You get a burger and you smash it.
want Five Guys inside me.
ये छठा होने वाला है.
कैसा? कैसा?
No fucking goggles.
No, you
You do
didn't.
not like Five Guys?
Zad, you're being a little dramatic.
Oh my god. This is a crime.
It's pretty bad.
बहुत गंदा है. Bad is an understatement. अबे इतना तेल है इसमें, छाती पे लगा ले बाल आ जाएंगे तेरे. बड़ा बाइट ले. पूरा बर्गर खा. That is a crime against humanity, bro. Smells bad, looks bad, tastes bad. ये $13 का है. Most expensive burger we had. Black market में $13 में Five Guys मिल जाते हैं.
This is true. This is why you don't go to Five Guys.
इधर आएंगे bro.
1 in price, 0 in taste. Total 10 में से 1.
Still better than my marks.
Okay. भाई Chick-fil-A looks so sexy भाई, by the way. Chick-fil-A, just look at it.
But I think looks wise, In-N-Out clears everything.
हाँ, प्राइस वाइज भी $4 भाई. देख इस बार दोनों सॉस दिया हमको. Chick-fil-A सॉस.
Do you think Chick-fil-A India में bang होगा?
I think so, yeah. Good flipping चल रहा है तो ये
Chick-fil-A would
This is the
slap in
burger.
India.
This bun looks 10 on 10. Patty looks 10 on 10. अब बस सिर्फ टेस्ट की बारी है. भाई ये मैं घर पे ला रहा हूँ भाई. Chick-fil-A is so good. This is getting 5 on 5. इतना सा लिया, छुई मुई कर रहा है. कैसा है? In-N-Out या Chick-fil-A?
Chipotle would bang as
I
well.
think Chick-fil-A. But I think In-N-Out has won this because of price. ये $8 का In-N-Out was $4. दिन का मेरा चौथा बर्गर है ये.
That's crazy because In-N-Out over here in Georgia is way more. It's like the same price as Five Guys.
That is the worst burger of today. This is worse than
I
Big
hate
Mac.
tomato-
हाँ, हमेशा
yeah,
से
no, I
ये
can't
लोग
have
बोलते थे
burgers.
ना कि खाने की presentation में मत जाओ,
tomatoes.
it's all about taste. But जो भी आज अच्छे बर्गर दिख रहे थे ना, they actually tasted amazing. McD looked disgusting. भाई this looks like a crime scene. Also by the way, टट्टी से बर्गर में ये जो तुम्हें इतना सा दिख रहा है, मिनी
They got a smash burger and then got mad when they got a smash burger. It's just like those are good burgers.
चीज बर्गर 900 कैलोरीज.
What the fuck?
900 कैलोरीज. इसमें 400.
Yeah. This is like a fun video of California. The Roosevelt Hotel. Some shit goes down in there.
वो माइकल जैक्सन.
Fuck Michael Jackson, bro. Pedophile था Michael Jackson.
यार ये माइकल जैक्सन के ऊपर हमेशा छोटे बच्चे क्यों कूदते रहते हैं? Do you think Michael Jackson touched?
Yes, I think he touched.
He did make amazing music though. भाई उसके साथ है ना सिर्फ बिस्तर में बच्चे सोए थे. That semi pedo. हमको है ना pedophile PDFs की है ना लेवल बनानी चाहिए. छोटे बच्चों के साथ सोना था वो semi pedo. That is still hella weird. Starting level पता है कौन सा है? मेरे स्कूल में 11th के टीचर पनिश कैसे करते थे? वो यूं आते थे सामने और एस को ग्रोप कर लेते थे. So that is starter level. Starter level is कि it's not confirmed कि if the guy is just weird or if it's actually pedo. Then फिर उसके बाद आता है mid level जिसमें suspicions get a little more. Then उसके बाद बहन full on Epstein. भाई मैं फिर वापस GoPro भूल गया अपनी कार में. At this point मेरा compilation बन सकता है, इतनी बार भूल चुका हूँ मैं. GoPro ऐसे ही लगा के छोड़ गया मैं. Please एक और chance. Please one last chance.
I'd say in California that thing might get stolen.
बहुत फाइल्स है उसमें मेरी. भाई चोरी हो गया. To be fair, I deserved it. मैं
I'm not out to say in California you leave something out like that in your car, bro, that's gonna get gone.
इतनी बार GoPro अपनी कार पे लगा के छोड़ चुका हूँ. और मुझे पता है it's not in the car because उसका एक माउंट होता है जो चिपकता है यहाँ पे और उसके ऊपर कैमरा लगता है. मतलब कोई ना कोई स्नैच करके ले गया. Okay, so मैं LAPD के पास गया and I got the police report. Let's
The police are gonna laugh. They're gonna like, you left your GoPro on top of your car, you fucking idiot.
see if my travel
We have actual real stuff where people broke in to get that same thing.
insurance covers it. Even if they cover it, which I doubt.
Nope.
Footage थोड़ी जादू से लेकर आ सकते हैं. फुटेज तो गया ना. अरे तुम वो भोसड़ी का चोर हो. फुटेज ट्रांसफर करने देता मेरे को. वो फुटेज का क्या करेगा? उसमें कोई XXX वीडियो थोड़ी है. मेरा कोई लाते हुए वीडियो थोड़ी है उसमें.
Imagine.
नहीं है. एटलीस्ट SD कार्ड छोड़ देता. बोलता SD कार्ड आप रख लो. मेरे को सिर्फ GoPro दे दो, मैं सेल करके आ जाऊंगा. I was like, हाँ ठीक है. See, not to make this all deep, but this just shows how safe Mumbai is. मैं बैंड्रा में कितनी बार छोड़ चुका हूँ भाई. मैं बैंड्रा.
Yeah, no, for sure. America, especially in California, that's what I'm saying. California is probably one of the worst places to live because they don't enforce the law. If you're a law-abiding citizen, you're going to get more fucked by the law than the people who break the law. It's insane.
कार में ऐसे सीधा लगा हुआ.
I knew that.
यहाँ पे सामने इतने सारे ऑटो वाले हैं, किसी ने नहीं उठाया. W ऑटो वाले बोल.
W auto वाले.
हाँ.
You know, the British are the imposters?
The next day हम जा रहे हैं
Oh, these
Wendy's try
glasses
करने।
again.
No, Wendy's इंडिया में भी है, but I literally have never tried. मैं ऐसी फास्ट फूड चेन से इंडिया में ऑर्डर ही नहीं करता. So far, In-N-Out and Chick-fil-A are destroying everyone. I think 8 out of 10.
He'll be happy with
Twitter
Wendy's.
पे shit talk करते हैं ना. I'm expecting some master class here. हर viral tweet के नीचे होता है उसका account. और
I've already
slogan पे ही
seen that.
बंदी है, तो खाना अच्छा होना चाहिए.
No, man, I've already seen that video, or at least that's the JFK assassination one. One thing I really like about Wendy's is he said that Five Guys was super greasy. Wendy's is not greasy at all. You could almost eat just the burger patty and cheese in your
Okay,
hands.
we got Wendy's
It's
and
good.
we
And the
got
fries
Jack
and the
in
fries
Box.
at Wendy's
ये
are
मैंने यहाँ
amazing.
पर आके सुना है. So ये
Super
था
salty.
$7 का, ये भी
Big,
था
thick
$7 का. They're both getting 4 out of 5 in price. And दोनों ही relatively fast मिल गए. This is ghost pepper chicken burger and this is grilled chicken burger. इनका ghost pepper है ना बहन हमारा टेम होता होगा.
हमारा सेजवान चटनी रहता रहेगा स्पाइसी है
No.
It's not super hot.
कितना स्पाइसी है
नहीं है. One is good. Sauce is barely any है. Cheese is not melted properly. हमें पता नहीं लोगों को क्या शौक है चीज मेल्ट ही नहीं करते भाई. रॉ डॉग कर देते भाई. ऐसी की ऐसी छेप देते हैं बस. तुम बिना मेल्ट के तो टेस्ट ही नहीं आता. कुछ टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा. How are the buns?
buns are good lettuce अच्छा है चीज का मेरे को मालूम नहीं the batter is good
Yeah, I would give Wendy's 2.5 out of 5.
in taste
Yes.
nah bro
Sauces are
Yeah, so
horrible,
he said
bro.
nah, bro.
Spice is dead. It's dry as fuck. You could say कि मैंने sauces नहीं लिए, but it's burger में by default जो sauces होते हैं, इसकी default skin अच्छी
Okay,
नहीं
you were bitching about it being too oily. Now it's being too dry. Come on, caught 4K.
है. Meat is very
Busted.
dry. Cheese is dry as fuck. Buns are nice. Jack in the Box. This is the most unique buns I have ever seen. This is pretty much bread. This is not a bun. This is bread. They look nicely toasted though. Ooh, this is nice. Grilled chicken sandwich की तरह लग रहा है.
Oh.
This is nice. The only thing is इसमें sauces इतने नहीं है. Bun sexy है. Bread जो भी है. Like this, they have actually toasted the shit out of this. Okay, so taste में it's getting a 3.5 out of 5. The only thing
More than Wendy's, and he was like, "Yeah, Wendy's was better."
thing
The
was
hell,
cheese.
nah.
अगर इसमें cheese होती, potentially 5 हो सकता था ये. अगर melted cheese होती, it would actually be like grilled cheese. Because bread जो भी इन्होंने use करा है, that is orgasm भाई. Butter के साथ वो भी. Patty एकदम juicy है, which is what you expect in a grilled chicken burger.
Correct. Now
भाई,
that law has
Americans are
recently gotten
crazy.
changed,
पूरा
but yeah.
रेस्टोरेंट खाली पड़ा है. पूरा का पूरा रेस्टोरेंट. गाड़ी इजीली पार्क करके जा सकते हैं अंदर रेस्टोरेंट के. बट नहीं, गाड़ी से भी नहीं निकलना. 2 कदम भी नहीं चलना इनको. Sometimes I refuse to believe Americans exist. Like लोग बोलते हैं ना एरिया 51 में aliens है. What I didn't realize is पूरे अमेरिका में aliens है. And area 51 में जो aliens
Yeah,
हैं,
they're just all illegal aliens.
they are the normal creatures.
Nice little vlog. Nice little vlog. He did Chick-fil-A. I mean, I don't agree with the In-N-Out being as lit as he said it was. For me, Chick-fil-A and Wendy's are some of my all-time favorite fast food places. But let me know what is your favorite? If you're picking up what I'm putting down, then please like the video, subscribe, and if you really like it, then share it with some of your friends. My goal here is to spread a positive message while sprinkling my 2 cents on big topics like American, Indian, and world geopolitics. And even small stuff like Twitch drama and online debacles. And if you want to see it live, come join me over on Twitch. Twitch.tv/ActuallyElrod. That's where I'm going to do all my reactions. And after the reactions, that's where we get down a game. And if you're like, hey, I have a video that I want this dude to sprinkle his 2 cents on, then come over on my Discord and let me know and join the community there. And while we're at it, I have to say thank you to everybody who has made that Discord just so poppin'. I never thought I'd have a Discord that's so flowing. It's really cool to see. Shout out to you, Bobby, Omni, Demon, all of you who have been in there who are just super active. Logie, you're the man. Logie is the one who's like modding and helping run the server, so thank you, Logie. Lastly, I challenge you. I have a challenge for you. Make somebody laugh today. We all know there's enough hate and vitriol in the world. If energy is contagious like the flu, then let's spread and get everyone contagious with our positive energy, right? Not negative energy, because there's so much of that. And if we could just be a small little change in someone's day, then you never know. Maybe that's the thing that starts shifting this world to a happier, healthier, just better place. And with all of that said and done, thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.